Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Bosch dryer and you're getting an error E20. What is it and how to get rid of it? So the E20 error is the control module is throwing up a fault. There's a problem with the control module. So there's basically two things to do here. The second option of what to do is just to have the control module replaced. But before you do that, the first thing to do is, since this is an error of the electrical components, is to just do a hard reset on the machine and see if that clears out the error. So to do that, you just want to turn the machine off, disconnect it from power completely, unplug it from the wall or turn it off at the circuit, and just leave it disconnected from power for a full minute, and then reconnect it to power, turn it back on, and see if this error doesn't go away. And hopefully it will. Just the hard reset, just like a computer, resetting a computer sometimes fixes everything. Because if that doesn't happen, you're probably going to need to call somebody to have the control module replaced. Anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.